Thank you very much, Madam President.
Tangina,
Madam
sip-sip.
President, nice to see you on the yes, session resumed already, right?
Sip-sip yarn? Ang pangit kasi tingnan. O, tiyang ina, puro kayo kasipsipan dyan.
Madam President.
Yes, session is resumed.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I move that we adjourn session at the 3
tapos
o'clock in the
puro
afternoon,
majority
Monday,
ang
February
nandyan,
9, 2026. I so move, Mr. President. Madam President.
Any objections? I don't see the minority here, only the majority.
This is also this is also in cooperation with the minority.
With the minority,
They know that
yes.
we're going to adjourn early.
No objections heard. Session is adjourned until Monday,
3 o'clock.
February 9,
9.
2026.
Thank you very much, Madam
Buhay,
President.
putya. Malabas-labas ngayon na parang gustong palitan na si Soto. Pero ang ipapalit, majority pa rin. Si Ligarda nga daw ang nakikita nila. Wala rin kwenta yun, majority din yun.